Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tia. I love filming fashion and lifestyle related videos over here on YouTube. So if that sounds good to you, please click the subscribe button below so you don't miss any content. Now today guys, I wanted to show you guys the last few things I bought from Vinted. I have been absolutely obsessed with Vinted. It is my favorite shopping platform, so I want to show you guys what I've been recently loving from Vinted. If you guys haven't followed me over on my Instagram, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Into the video, I wanted to do a quick little unboxing with you guys. I have this beautiful little handbag to show you, and it is from a company called Uubags. I will link them down below in the description box. This specific bag will obviously be linked below. Now, Uubags do beautiful, high quality replica bags. Now, replica bags obviously are not for everyone, but I do like them once in a while because we all know designer bags are so expensive, especially Chanel handbags. Now, I've got a beautiful little replica Chanel 25 handbag to unbox with you guys. This handbag is about £5,000 British pounds, and the handbag I want to show you today is just a fraction of the price. So here we go. It comes in a lovely box right here. So it comes with the little, what is this called? The ribbon and the little camellia, which is a nice touch. It also comes with the dust bag to keep your bags protected. So here we go. Oh, ripped it. There we go. Let me just get it out for you guys so you can see it. Okay guys, so here is the lovely replica of the Chanel 25. I think it's really good quality, and it looks pretty much like the real thing. You know, if I saw this out on the street, I would not bat an eyelid. It's really lovely quality as well. As you can see, that caviar leather. This also came in like a patent leather, which I wasn't a fan of. I preferred this matte leather. As you can see here, really nice. It's all got the plastic covering. I love the fact that you can pull this in and make it really like pulled inwards like that. I really like the fact that it's a shoulder bag. The chain detail is really nice. It's got that like brass effect. Like a dulled down gold, which I definitely prefer over the shiny gold. It's got these pockets right here, which is absolutely perfect for your bits and bobs, for a phone. And yeah, let me just take the stuffing out. And inside is just a big open space. It's also got one little pocket here. It's got the little logo there on that side as well. I don't know if you see very well, but yeah. And it's got another side pocket here, actually, which is really good. Oh, it's got a pocket there. It's also got three internal little slip pockets. Otherwise, it's just a big open space, which is great. You can fit quite big sized items in it, and you can just pull this in. So yeah, as you can see, this is a bit more pulled inside, kind of like a bucket bag. This shape is so beautiful, and the quality is absolutely lovely for the price. Now, this is retailing at the moment for £196, which is a fraction of Chanel's £5,000 price tag. I have a discount code for you guys. It's a TIA50, TIA50. That will give you $50 off this little handbag here, or any other handbag that you'd like to purchase. I will link this bag down below. Okay my loves, let me show you what I bought from Vinted recently. So first of all, I've got these lovely pair of Coach earrings. I am obsessed with the heart shape, so when I saw these, it's got that like clear crystal, it's got the pearl drop, and they just look so nice. Yeah, they're a genuine Coach. They obviously came really nicely packaged, so it does say Coach on the backs of the earrings, and yeah, they're just so pretty. I love a little pearl drop earring like that. I've got my Abbott Lion heart little set on today, but yeah, these are from Vinted, guys. I got them for literally £22, I think, and they are a brass hardware, and they're just so pretty, really nice, hypoallergenic, everything. Yeah, love those little earrings, guys. Yeah, Vinted is the one. If you guys haven't shopped on Vinted, you can get some really nice gems. A lot of things are new with tags, and yeah, I don't even shop on the high street really much anymore, to be honest. Okay guys, so next up is this faux leather skirt from M&S. Let me just do the zip up quickly. This was listed for £10, but in the end I gave her a little offer and I got it for £7. Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. Perfect height on me, 5'3". This was £30 full price. Got the tags on and everything still, guys. This is what I mean about Vinted. And if you haven't followed me over on my Vinted, by the way, it's TL123321. I'll leave my handle here on the screen. Follow me over there because I post a lot of stuff. You know, guys, I am a shopaholic, obviously, so a lot of things I will pop up there, new with tags, a lot of really nice items, so make sure to follow me over on my Vinted. But yeah, guys, this was £30 full price. A lovely little faux leather khaki skirt. So excited to style this up this spring with some neutrals, some pink colors. Yes, super excited. And then I got 2 pairs of the ZARA high-waisted tapered leg trousers. They are my favorite pair of trousers that ZARA does. And I used to be a small, but definitely not a small anymore. That's like a size 8. I am a large now, a size 12. So I picked up a gorgeous chocolate brown color, and this was completely new, and I got it for a £5, guys. So good. These are £27.99 online on the ZARA website currently, so I don't know if they do the brown one at the moment, so this might be an older style, but you guys know I love chocolate brown, so I had to pick that up. And it's so flattering on the waist. It gives the best shape. Oh my god, they are so flattering, and I absolutely love these trousers for work. They are my go-to. These trousers and Halara trousers, these are my favorite to wear to work. And I also picked up a cream colored one from a different seller. This has still got the tags in. I thought I really wanted to pick up the cream color for spring coming up. This will be really nice to style with all my colorful blouses going to work, with a pair of like ballet kind of flats, loafers. Yeah, still got the tags on, as you can see, and that's £29.99. there we go, even more. So, and this one I actually paid £15 for because it's still new with tags and everything, and I don't think there was any more, so I thought half price for a new item was not bad. So love that cream color. And then I saw this gorgeous burgundy colored dress from ZARA. I don't know how I missed it when it actually came out originally, but yeah, this seller had it on for I think £20, and then we agreed at £17 for this dress. And look at it, guys, my goodness, that detail is absolutely beautiful. It's got some lovely like pleating, a godette style hemline. It comes like sort of a couple of inches above my knee. I can wear it with tights, I can wear without tights in the summer, and well, in size large. And this was £45.99 full price, guys, but I paid £17 for this. Fully lined. It's also got pockets. Yeah, guys, you can find some real good gems on Vinted, so absolutely love that. Okay, some of you may know about my obsession with a Coach, and when I saw this chalk colored Coach Sammy top handle bag, I was like, oh my god, I have to have it, because I've got the black version and I love it. And for the summer, I don't have that many cream bags, and this is actually the perfect size. It can fit a water bottle, it can fit all your daily essentials. It looks smart, but you can you know, dress it down. Actually, it's quite a smart bag. You can't really dress this bag down, it's just beautiful. So you can wear this to weddings, you can wear it as a day-to-day bag. It comes with a long strap, and this chain strap I actually added from my Coach chain tabby, and I love the fact that Coach does removable straps, so you can add it on to different bags, and I just think this gives it such a nice dressy look to it as well. Obviously you can wear it on the shoulder with this chain as well. So yeah, it's also got a little back pocket inside, and this is full grain leather if I'm not mistaken. It's locked. Let me just open up the lock because this little key is actually a working key which you can open. So I love that feature about the Sammy top handle. You can actually keep this super secure because you can actually lock the bag, which is so cool. Let me open it for you guys. Managed to open it. So as you can see, yes, genuine full grain leather. And yeah, I love Vinted for Coach bags. There is a lot of fake Coach bags on Vinted, so you have to be really careful. If you're not sure, make sure to use their verification service, but I've bought enough Coach bags to know what is real and what isn't. So yeah, it's fully lined with leather as well. It's such a high quality bag, guys. This bag looks designer to me, like the weight of it, it's fully leather lined. It's got some compartments there, it's got the long crossbody strap inside there as well. Yeah, like it just feels really luxe, and it's a mid-level luxury bag. It is absolutely stunning. It's got the feet as well. So yeah, got the black version, now I got the white. My little Sammy top handle collection is complete. I forgot to mention, guys, this Sammy top handle, full price this bag retails for like £300-400, but I got it and it was completely new, without tags, for £120. For this sort of a quality bag for that price, yeah, insane. Okay, lastly, guys, I've got quite a big item here. It is a beautiful leather trench coat. Now, you guys may know that I love my trench coats. I like the faux leather trench coats. I've got a brown one. Actually, my sister stole in the brown one. I've got like a camel colored one, but they're all faux leather. I don't have a real leather one. And when I saw this listed from River Island, a real leather trench coat, my goodness. Okay, I might not be able to show you properly here. Let me see, I'll try my best. I'll try and do a try on for you guys to see if I have time, but let me show you here. It is this gorgeous leather trench coat from River Island. The detailing, my god, I will try and insert a picture from the actual website. It's currently on sale for £275, and it is a full length coat. So on my 5'3" frame, it goes all the way to my ankles, which I absolutely love. I think it looks so luxe and expensive. Well, it is expensive, and as you can see, the real leather quality is beautiful, and I'm obsessed with this burgundy color. I know we're going into spring, but I will still wear it in spring, and come autumn this will be a gorgeous layering piece, and I just expect to keep this trench coat in my wardrobe for many years. It's a gorgeous investment piece. Oh my goodness, love these little storm flaps, is that what you call it, at the back, and you can nip yourself in obviously with the tie waist. Beautiful quality, and also on the shoulders it's got that detail as well, which I love. The lapels are beautiful. My goodness, it's so buttery soft as well. This is probably the best coat I've ever seen in my entire life. The quality is simply beautiful, and yeah, it was completely new with tags. And guess how much I got it for? £130, I think. So yeah, a really good deal for a fully leather coat. Like, you can get full leather coats for about £100, which is crazy. So that is an amazing little find from Vinted, and that's the last piece I want to show you guys. Okay, my loves, I hope you enjoyed this little Vinted haul. Make sure to check out Uubags down below in the description box and use my discount code TIA50 for $50 off. And thank you all so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye now.